It's really easy to reserve the iPad cart. To do so, go to any Google site and make sure you're logged in. I know I'm logged in because when I hover over the circle here, it says my name. Go to the Google Apps button, which is a series of 9 squares. Click Calendar. Make sure that your iPad cart calendar is selected so that you can see if someone's already reserved a time. Click on the date that you would like to reserve the iPad cart and the time. Make sure down here that you are selecting the iPad cart calendar or it won't work. Type in your name. You can also change the time here and click Save. Now I've reserved the iPad cart on Tuesday the 17th of April from 11 to 12. The site will send me an email so that I know to have the cart ready for you to pick up. Thank you.